Welcome back to Total OS Today. By request, I was asked to take a look at Windows 8 Developer Preview. Couple things I would like to mention before I continue. I don't normally like to mess with alphas, betas, pre-productions, developer preview. I have found almost all of them to be glitchy. Something's going to go wrong, crashes, freeze ups, as it always does with any pre-production type of OS. So I don't know how this is going to work out, but I thought I would give it a shot. I downloaded the 64-bit because my desktop, my host, is a 64-bit OS, Windows 7. The file was corrupt, so rather than waiting to download another almost 4 GB OS, I decided to go with the 32-bit. It's a gigabyte less. I was able to download it faster. Keep in mind it is the wrong bit, the wrong OS for my host machine. I have a 64-bit host. I'm running Windows 8 in 32-bit, so I'm not sure how this is going to work out. What I see, guys, is what you get. I was unable to put this in full screen mode. I suspect, again, because of the drivers and the fact, again, it's 32 versus 64-bit and all that stuff. But I thought I would give this a shot. This is in a VirtualBox. I don't know how long this is going to last before something crashes or freezes. I'm going to give it 5 minutes, but we'll see what happens. Again, it's by request, so I thought I would give it a shot because Windows 8 looks completely different, obviously, than any previous Windows, including Windows 7. So I thought, why not? This might surprise me. So here we go. This is, of course, the main screen here. Again, I could not get this in a full screen, so we'll take a look here and see what we have. This obviously is designed for tablets, touchscreens, as you see the shortcuts here. And I believe they're called tiles, similar to what I saw last year in the Windows 7 phone, which I thought was actually pretty easy to use. Okay, this is my username, Toss Today. If I click that, I guess I should capture the mousey first. If I click that, let's see what happens. Okay, I can log off or change user title. If I click Start, and by the way, I started this about, a minute ago, and the time is 9:17. Let's see how long this goes. Alright, click Start, nothing happens. If I right click, nothing happens. These are the tiles here. There's a scroll bar here at the bottom, and it looks like I can go left or right. Let's see, right clicking doesn't work. What about the scroll wheel? No, let's try it over here. Anything? Okay, so if I scroll the wheel, I can progress through my shortcuts or my tiles. Alright, well that's cool. Let's see. Clicking that doesn't happen, then nothing happens there. Alright, let's go this. Let's click desktop and see what happens. Okay, this is the familiar Windows 7 theme. It's Windows Developer Preview, Evaluation, Copy, Build, so on and so forth. Of course, you have the super bar here at the bottom. If I right click that, that brings up the usual menu functions. Can I right click on this desktop? Yes, I can. Okay. Let's see. The libraries, as they're called, the file manager. This looks a little bit different. Okay, so if I highlight, I'm not sure what happened. Let me go back to desktop. If I click that, okay, clicking that menu button goes between the Classic 7 theme and, okay, the Windows 8. Okay, well that's cool. So again, clicking Start, nothing happens. So let's see, let's go back here and highlight that. Okay. I thought something else popped up. I don't know. Thought I saw something there. Again, this is completely new to me, so let's see. Okay, well, Internet Explorer, does that work? No. Windows Explorer, does that work? Okay. Again, this brings up the libraries. There's a they've changed this. I think this is called a ribbon, RIBBON menu. Like I said, I haven't had time to really read much up on this. What I can't tell you is that from what I understand, Windows 8 is going to be across the board one release, meaning there will be only one Windows 8 for tablets, PCs, laptops, and I'm assuming mobile phones. There will not be different versions or editions of Windows 8. I believe it will have support for USB 3.0 and something about faster boot up times. So, okay, where were we? Does the store work? Clicking that, no. Socialite, news, tweet, weather. Okay, again, the only thing I can think of, does control panel work? Okay, the only thing I could think of here is that, again, I downloaded the 32-bit where I need the 64-bit. That's probably why I'm not able to get those shortcuts to work and not get this in full screen mode. Okay, well, this seems simple enough. Control panel, activate Windows, personalize, users, wireless, privacy, search, share, send, ease of use. If I go, can I click that? Okay. Activate Windows. Windows is unable to detect, and activate by phone. Okay, let's see. Can I go back? Oh, well, that's cool. It brought up something here to the left. Oh, cool. And if I hold it here to the edge of the screen, apparently I can go back and forth. I guess it's at the top. A little shortcut. Tile. A tile pops up. Oh, okay. Oh, let's see. How do I get out of this? Click that. I guess I can click the X. Alright, well that's... Oh, okay. There we go. Settings, device, share, search, start. And how did that clock come up again? I'm sorry, guys. This is completely new to me. I will say this, it looks kind of cool. It's completely, obviously different than Windows 7. And it's bringing up these shortcut tiles here. Apparently you can go back to your previous screen that you were working on. Okay, so how can I bring up that menu again? Right click, properties. Okay, I guess it can do that. Okay, it brings up Windows Explorer. So far, so good. Let's see what else we got here. How did that menu come up? I don't know. Let's see, let me scroll to the right here. Can I bring anything else up? Copper. Nothing. Okay. The rest of these shortcuts tiles are not going to work. Again, I have the wrong edition downloaded. I'm assuming if I would have downloaded 64-bit to match my host system, I have a feeling this would work. So it looks like the only thing working now is Windows Explorer. And if I click that, that'll get me back. Control panel. Okay. Let's try search and see what happens. Search history, apps, delete history. Let me try clicking store. Nothing. No, that just turns it on and off, I guess. Okay. Alright. And let's see. Going to the left here. There we go. Well, that's cool how it brings that up. It doesn't seem to be quite stable. Let me try search from search here. Okay. This brings up a nice search functionality here. I kind of like this green color. Let's see if I click apps here, will that work? Okay. You can scroll here. There we go. Alright, this brings up all the apps. Let's see if the apps will work from here. Ah, Windows Media Player. Cool. Okay, I guess that works. How do I go back to that screen? I don't want that one. Alright, let's go back to search. Let's see. Where are we at here? Apps. That's what I wanted. Apps. Scroll here. Okay. Let's try something else. Okay, looks like these are in alphabetical order. Well, so far so good. You know, somebody coming from Linux or Windows 7 to this doesn't seem like would have a difficult time. And again, I have no idea how to bring that menu up. It seems to pop up at random. I'm probably missing something. Okay. Let's see. Let's try another. Will the store come up? No. Socialite? Nothing there. Sticky notes. Okay, cool. Nice little widget type functionality. Delete that. Okay. Move the mouse over that and it pops up again. Hey, you know what? You know what, Microsoft? That's a really small clock. Can you make it any bigger? I'm just kidding. That's cool. At least it's easy on the eyes. White against black. Let's go to search again. I wanted to go to apps, right? Yeah, let's go to apps again because that's what's getting my attention. This almost kind of reminds me like the Android OS on smartphones. Maybe just a little bit like the Ubuntu Software Center, kind of, maybe. Maybe not. Alright, let's try one more thing here. Aircraft? What's that? I guess it's a game. Okay, well, it looks like these shortcuts, all of them are not going to work. Again, I have the 32-bit installed and a 64-bit host machine. Does the weather functionality work? No. Tile puzzle? Treehouse? Too brighter. Okay. Let's see. Zero gravity? No. Well, it's kind of a bummer. Paint play? Will that work? Nope. Paint. Okay, there's your paint function. Okay, let me say this. Obviously, these tile shortcuts are not working, so I could, talk more about this. As far as how it looks, it's different. I think this is a big jump or a big risk for Microsoft to try something like this. I guess in the same way that Canonical changed Ubuntu to go with the Unity type, using Unity type desktop. At first, I wasn't sure that I would like it, but I do like using Unity. As far as this goes, as a dual booter, again, this is designed for touchscreen tablets, and it looks cool. Would I like this? Would I buy a machine with Windows 8? The best answer I can give you is a maybe. I just don't know. I guess I have to give Microsoft credit for trying something new. I just realized something. This has been going on for 10 minutes, and this hasn't crashed once. It hasn't glitched, has it? No, I don't think so. Yeah, it's been on for over 10 minutes. Huh, wow. Well, at least in terms of stability, I am impressed. It hasn't crashed. The shortcuts don't work. I guess I can call that a glitch. But it appears in this early version of Windows 8, it appears stable. Cool. Okay, well, that's my sneak peek at Windows 8. Let me just end it by saying this. It looks cool. I think I might like it. I'm not sure. It is, again, completely different than Windows 7. It is designed for, obviously, touchscreens, tablets, mobile phones, stuff like that. What impresses most about this in this 10 minutes that I've been taking a peek at it is, it hasn't crashed. And this is what? This is considered maybe an alpha? Huh. Microsoft, you've got my attention. Okay, let me just end it here. Sorry I couldn't give you more information about this or go more to the shortcuts to the tiles here. I think what I might do is re-download the 64-bit version of this and see if it makes any difference. Maybe go into full screen mode and try all of the shortcuts here. It appears stable. I'm impressed in terms of stability. It looks cool, I will say that. It is different, and the way Unity was different is different. And I think I'll just leave it at that. So yeah, I would say it looks cool. It is a big risk for Microsoft, and we'll see what happens. Alright guys, that's it. Thanks for watching this longer than usual video on Windows 8 Developer Preview. Let me know what you guys think, and as always, I will catch you in your Windows/Linux future. Ciao.